So where is that you're going to update this? This is not going on your page. H1 goes on your page, SEO content goes on your page, correct? But where are you going to update this? So now for that, so but then you know that it has to show up here, correct? It has to show up here. Receipt pest control is there, right? It has to show up here, which is called as meta title, which goes in the head section of your page. Meta title and meta description. Meta description is not visible here also anywhere. It shows up only on the Google, correct? And where are we going to update it now? We are going to update it here. So you haven't installed the plugin called Yoast SEO. So now this WordPress web pages, look at this pages. I'll go to all pages and I'll go to your home page. Where is your home page? Click on edit. Okay. So on this page, you will not see any option to update your title and description. So how are we going to update the title and description now? If there is no option to update the title and description, where are we going to update it? So now in this case, we are going to update them by installing a plugin called Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a plugin which helps you to implement your SEO, titles, descriptions, sitemaps, and couple of other things. Sitemaps is slash sitmap.xml. We will discuss what is this sitemap. Okay, sitemap is there already. WP sitemaps. So basically, this will have list of all the pages put on your website. Okay, but anyways,
so that is in plugin we have to select.
We'll download. Yeah. We are going to download now. Add new plugin. Okay. Search Yoast. Yoast. Yes, this is the one. Yoast SEO. 10 million activations. 10 million plus activations. Install now. This is the most popular plugin from Yoast SEO. Installed. Activate it. So I will install and activate one more plugin for you. Okay. So one more plugin is again. Let me go to plugins. Add new plugin. Classic editor. Okay. This one activated classic editor.
What is classic editor?
That's the default editor of the WordPress. Like you are using Beaver Builder or maybe some other editors, right? But this is the classic editor. Hello. Niranjan. Ranjit in class lo unnaru chustante oka second. Class lo I'll call you. Okay. So this is the default editor for the WordPress classic editor. Okay. Okay, fine. Anyways, main thing is Yoast SEO, right? We have installed Yoast SEO plugin. Now, after installing this, automatically when you go to your pages, now it will show you the options or features to update your title and description. Okay, let's see that now. I'll click on the edit home page. This is the front page, right? Home page. Right here, look at this. I have installed the classic editor, and classic editor is showing it to me like this now. It is also giving me option like this, visual or text. This is all HTML. You all know, right? You have to write HTML, CSS, JavaScript to build a web page, correct? So now you have dragged, drop and build, or AI has helped you to build the page, correct? Now if you look at the HTML of it, this is how it looks. But nothing to do with this at this moment. And if you want to go with the visual look and feel of it, you can click on the visual thing, and now it is seen like this, correct? But okay, leave it. Okay, so come down. Now you could see that here. This is how it shows up on the Google home Rishi pest control. Home Rishi pest control. Now here you're see by default after installing the Yoast, this page title will be taken as the title. Even if you're not installing Yoast, your title, whatever you give to the page, that automatically will be taken as the SEO title or meta title. Meta description will be empty. Okay. So now we are going to update this with the title that we have written now. Okay. So this is the one we wrote, correct? Professional word is very, very important in your business, right? So I'm going there again, and I'll just remove all of this and I will paste this. See, this is how it looks on the Google. Professional pest control experts in Bangalore starts at rupees. It starts at 499 or higher or lesser.
Minimum 500.
You put it as 499. Meta description is please provide a meta description. Nothing is showing, right? So we'll update this meta description as well. Pest control, pest treatment services in Bangalore. Look at this. This meta description also will now show up, and if it is slightly lengthier, see now this is shown in green color because you are within the character limits, and this is showing in orange color because you are slightly
Exceeding.
higher, but that's okay. See, this tool is also not the perfect guide for you. Now I might say have 180 characters and somebody else might say 185 and Yoast SEO tool might say 190 or 165, and as per that it is indicating the colors. But if you know you don't need a tool to measure or understand it. You know, but see now let's say I must have told 175 characters is the limit. But Yoast SEO, they must have set the criteria as 160. And when you put 165 also, they will show orange color. You should tell to Yoast boss, I know I have learned it in the right way. 165 or 175 is the character count and you are showing the orange color for 160 itself. That is the criteria that they have built. Correct? If I am building a home, I might put a front door 7 feet height or 8 feet or 6 feet or whatsoever it is, correct? Correct? Same way, they have put it. You can consider this, okay, and you can try to do the corrections also. This is 174 or something, right? We'll see. 178 characters. 178. Pest treatment services in Bangalore by the is not needed. Eliminate these kinds of communications. So now we have eliminated almost 5 words, 4 words. The is 3 and one space is 4, correct?
Even there it is space. Callers now, no? Dot and full stop in space.
That will be there, madam. Space has to be there. Yeah. First, we'll try. We'll see if we can optimize it further. Otherwise, no worries. It is less than 125 characters or 175 characters now.
There is use AI.
So, post pest treatment services in Bangalore by renowned pest management agency. Explore pest control. Explore pest control is the small word, I guess. Treatment will be bigger, right? Pest care, no, it's not care. It's killing you. So pest control packages, bedbug, cockroach, termites control. I will remove this removal. Removal was a keyword from that perspective I have put, but that's okay. Here main thing is you have to communicate the services, bedbug, cockroach, maybe cockroach. I'll remove killing, termites control. See now this is almost less than 60 characters, 160 characters, and still it is. See, less than 160 characters. Now Yoast is telling it has to be lower than this. Correct? I told you, right? You can have any kind of restrictions.
There's an option
You can put a
for
restriction or
AI
condition.
also.
You don't come to my home at 6 a.m. in the morning. You come only after 6 a.m. I can tell to you, do not come after 10:30. You have to be in the class by 10:30. I might put any condition, correct? But you know what time you should be coming. Correct? Same way, Yoast SEO, their condition or criteria is different. You don't have to follow it when you know it all. But people blindly follow this who don't know anything, who believe Yoast is the god. So there is a saying in Kannada, Shenginda Bandrine Tirtha. Shenginda Bandre Matra Tirtha. So the meaning of it is, I am telling, don't throw this bottle like this, it's wrong thing. Correct? You will not listen to me. But the moment it is told by somebody you love, somebody you care, right? Respect. So when that person says, see, you are not see, at least this is, you are not listening to me at all. I have told you 1,000 times you are not listening to me. But when the right person says, your kid will not listen to you, but when it comes from the teacher or from their friends in the school, they will listen. So to convey that, the saying is used. Shenkinda Bandrina Tirtha. So same way, people are like that. If Yoast is telling something, they think Yoast is the goddess or god, something like that. The finest thing on the earth. No. So you should be knowing, you should be smart enough to evaluate what Yoast SEO is doing is correct or not. So I am least bothered about it. I don't really care. You can go up to 75 characters even if you're going beyond, that is not a problem. Okay. So anyways, you have to communicate bedbug, cockroach, termites, what else? This rodents, termites. I'll put rodents as well. And for this services, you use capitals, cockroach, termites, rodents, anything else? Termites and grammatically and
It's a single D.
termites control. Huh?
D.
I think double only.
Loading.
Yeah, single. Okay. It's single only. Rodents and termites control, etc. is there, not etc. is there, etc. can we use. You do snake control also, right?
Snake, reptilian.
Reptiles,
Reptilian.
reptiliant, rodents, reptiliants, REPILENTS,
No.
Reptilian. REPELIEN.
repellent and termites control, etc. Callers, etc. is not needed right now. Callers now.
Bedbug is enough or bedbugs? What is
Bed bugs, cockroaches.
then 3 letters name for cockroaches?
Cockroach, that's okay. You're conveying. You want to convey. See now the tendency of people clicking on your search results will increase when they are seeing the words like this: bed bugs, cockroach, rodent. They think, okay, I have come to the relevant page. They are searching pest control, but they want to do control of cockroaches. The moment they see cockroaches only, or somebody else are searching pest control, but they are seeing bed bugs, and bed bugs is their problem as well. They will connect or relate. Your CTR will improve when you are writing what they are interested in. Correct? Right? Simply now, do not touch anything else here when you are updating titles and descriptions. Okay? So you update the title and description. There is a keyword section as well somewhere here, but keywords is not compulsory. Slug, you ignore this. Slug is basically, so now your page URL can be changed. When you create few more pages, you will get an idea. You can change that here as well. This is home page, hence it is showing like this. We'll do other pages. We'll do other pages. You will get an idea. Okay.
What is that, sir?
Yeah,
Related key
we
phrase.
have come to homepage and only we have put a meta description.
Title and description.
Title and description.
Okay. So SEO analysis. Yeah. Tell me, ma'am. What's your question?
I think it is some premium service, I think. Related
They
key
want to
phrase.
sell, right?
That's what
They are not doing
I saw
charity.
later that premium.
They will give sweet shop wala give you small piece. Ask to taste. Correct. Why is he giving? Why is he giving? He is planning to sell 1 kg sweet to you. Correct. Correct. So you that's how. This is what is enough for you. See, the only thing that we are using this tool is to update these two things. So when you know all of the SEO by yourself, what is good, what is bad, you don't give your head to all of these things. Okay. So add related keywords, key phrases. Key phrases are not at all considered. First thing. Title, description, and keywords. I'll tell you. So title, description, keywords. These are the 3 things that you will be updating in the head section of your page. So title and description at least shows up here in the Google. Keywords, once upon a time Google was considering when you put the keywords, feed the keywords, Google was reading it and understanding what is that page about. Now Google doesn't give any kind of importance to it, and this fellow is still continuing the keyword thing. This is key phrases is nothing but keywords. So we have finalized some keywords, right? So you can update those keywords here. These are not the final keywords or the correct keywords. These are just I have taken like that. So this does not contain pest treatments. Correct? Pest control, pest treatment, pest management. Management is there, at least control is coming in between. That's okay. Correct? Okay. So now just go and update this page. Correct? So earlier your website is showing receive pest control. Correct? Now I will reload this. Look at this, it will change. Professional pest control experts in Bangalore. Starts at rupees 499. Correct? Where is the description? It doesn't show up here. It will be, we have put the description mainly for Google only. Correct? When people see it on the Google, it's for people, but it's displayed on the Google. Where is description here? Yeah, here it is. Pest treatment services in Bangalore by around pest management agency. Explore pest control packages, bedbugs, cockroaches, rodents. Correct? All of it, whatever we have written. Okay? Fine? You all understand? So now what you will be doing is next step, you will be launching various kinds of pages. So I want you to list down all the services cockroach control, rodent control, repellent, or whatever, right? So if there are any synonyms or alternatives, next step what you're going to do is I'll show it to you. Okay. So now you want to so basically what you'll be doing is you'll be creating many such pages like this, similar pages. So even before what is this residential, commercial?
Residential areas, commercial areas.
No, this is put a link as you can do one more section like that. Maybe we will.
Actually, I want to change the image.
No. Image changes you can do it. I'll tell you what to be done for this. Expert pest control services. So plan the communication also that has to go on this page. So expert pest control services find reliable pest management solution for homes and businesses and ensuring a safe and comfortable. This is perfect. Okay. So now here this one background has to be managed. Request a quote, and this is non-clickable also. And then next.
How to make it sensitive?
Actually,
Right.
your
Actually, I want to
websites
change-
are looking like a Yoast.
Actually, I'm unable to change the background images also.
This you are unable to change.
Change.
Why? It's easy only, right?
When I go for that one, it is suggesting to purchase Astra Pro package.
Is it?
So again, it is 4,000.
Seriously? One second.
So try it.
Where are your pages? Okay, so Astra, now I have to. Mm,
Appearance, customize.
I'll show it to you easy way, one more easy way, even without using Astra.
So Rama ma'am showed me one way, like appearance, customize.
That is different. Now here you put it visual. You want to change this image? This is see actually image can be added like this, but I think that won't work for you here. Media. Dimensions I can change. Before I save this, I will just see a preview how it looks. Where did it get added? You can increase the dimensions, or even before that you can do other changes. But let me do one thing. I'll not save this. Okay. So plugins.
Residential is one actually. Residential, commercial, termite has no connection.
There is not a
Residential or
commercial.
commercial.
No,
Termite is not
actually,
in
there
between.
there is no connection between images and bodies. Both are different.
Where is this classic editor? I'll deactivate this. Let me see what is the problem with your editor. All pages.
So you can delete the track.
So now you are telling that you are not able to change this photo, correct?
Replace option is
This is the image. What is that about? Let me try simply. I'm just adding a.
First, so that housefly.
No. You can change it, but let me see how this works. I'm saving it. something went wrong, I have to put a recovery for everything. So here you see recovery, attempt recovery for all the images. Attempt recovery, and then I have to edit the images. Attempt recovery, attempt recovery. I don't know what will happen with this.
Attempt recovery in the sense it will go to version.
So it is not displaying the images because I think this is pre-built by template, right? Automatically AI built it, right?
Yeah, we can say. Okay, yeah.
So I think maybe from that. Okay, let's see it. Let me say this. Attempt recovery is done everywhere. Attempt recovery. This one was also not working properly earlier. Let's see now. Now it is. See now this one also not working. Request a code. So now after the attempt recovery and saving, let's see. It's working now. All are working fine. Okay.
So you went to the plugins now and you did edit the
Not plugin. I went to the page. Now you can edit this or change this images.
Right.
So
Like
replace this image.
Okay.
Whatever you want to replace, you can click on it. Replace. Open media library. This mosquito, I will replace it to this person maybe. This image is not good. Don't pick these kinds of images. Pick the square images. Okay, aspect ratio has to be proper.
Okay.
It shouldn't be just very tall image and narrow. Width should be very narrow. No, don't pick such kinds of images. So I will now put this image here. Right, it is coming. You are able to change, right? Right. So now what I'm suggesting is, so now we do this activity. So pest control, expert pest control services, reliable pest management solution for homes and businesses, ensuring a safe and comfortable. This one, first one was the same thing. Maybe background or something. We'll see. So this will be part of columns. This is the container we are in.
Yeah, only content that I can at least enter, but I cannot.
No, you can change it. This is not coming from this place. This is coming from a header from some other place. I'll tell you. So now if I hover this, it's showing me here. This is a block. So it's getting added, right? More and more and getting added. Seems to be coming from a header. So I think this is part of all the pages. We'll see in the settings. Normal edit. There is this page. You click on normal edit. That's put in the header section. That's not part of the page. So header there will be image actually. So enable this WP editor now. Go to the plugins. Okay, otherwise here only we could have seen that option.
I went for appearance, customize,
No. Page wise it will be there. I'll show you.
page wise.
So instead of this, otherwise we'll go with.
Disable the design library.
No, not design library. Here only we'll see the option edit as HTML. Not seen that. That's okay. Coming back to pages. All pages. So in settings also we'll see once. So there is a way to assign a default image for all the pages that you create. Okay, maybe there also you must have done something like that. We'll see.
I tried to do this. My failure
Yeah, here customize setting, customizer setting. Disable, disable. Usually we'll put here set featured image. That is what will bring it in the top or the background. Here or disable primary header, header title, banner. Banner area is anyway disabled already. Transparent header, it was earlier customizer setting. So this one will be theme settings. We'll see. Now I am disabling it. Let's see if it shows up any different. It's still showing up, right?
some page is opening now, surprisingly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cache issue maybe something.
But
That
it's
plugin
not
will.
running properly.
Okay.
Yeah, that is fine.
Not template. Settings. We are using Astra theme, right? Spectra is also. This is not related, right? Nothing to do with Spectra.
What are those?
Spectra is a pop-up builder for your website. Astra is your pop-up builder, another plugin. So site identity. We'll see if there are any images added here. Did you do anything?
No, I didn't do anything. I just opened down. I was telling that it's not opening.
We'll see. Okay, you see here header. Here is that image. Somewhere. This is actually header. Where is this header? Complete page show. This cannot be part of your paid option. This cannot be part of your paid option. It has to be in the free because this is part of your page. Okay. You will have an option to edit. Just do it. Pages.
I'll share it.
That image is not at all showing up here, right? Expert pest control services is showing. So that is coming from a header somewhere here option still. Let me try pulling in some image. A featured image will show up if this page is picked to show up as a card in some other page. This image will show up there. Not actually there, but anyways, let me full with container sidebar layout custom left. Let's see how this looks. What is this option? Transparent header. We were able to make the changes. I'm wondering like why this is not.
Thank you.
I guess you have also installed Elementor, right? Elementor. You installed Elementor? I'll pause it now. Okay, it's remains inactive only. It's inactive. Here it is. You want to? I'll show it. Where you want? Which one you want to apply? This one.
Ah,
This one. So free pick will download it here. I'll show you where to download.
yeah.
Hello. Yes.
I use this one.
Just tell me quickly what is this regarding.
This is so nice.
Yeah, it's look very professional.
Show me. You will get it on free pick also. A lot of such. You see.
But we used to can use it.
Yeah, this,
So use that
You can use this one also, right?
it's an idea. I think this is very good.
Very good.
This is very good.
Everything
All
is nice.
insects.
All instruments.
All heroes has become villain.
Okay. You want this one, or maybe you will install other pair. Maybe you do it later. I'll show it to you now how to do this. So I was telling you, right, this is a container, but problem is I did not. This is actually a block, right? So the block settings are here. Let me close it, right? So here it is. Okay. So you have to select this one and click on this one, and you will get it all the things related to this. And in style, you will get a chance to change the
It's a block.
image. Okay. So image position, overlay. See, there will be overlay. You can remove overlay, and this will be a dark clean image, right? Overlay on and off button. So
this is select the block in plugin.
where
You know that block. Okay,
no, I didn't get your.
okay, that black color block when it is
This one.
not there.
So select this first top level, then click on this, right? Then you will see all the details related to changing this. Okay. Okay. So overlay, if you add see now if you want white text to be visible properly, you change, you pick a image which is dark in color, or you add a overlay to this. Overlay, how are you adding here? Click on style and add the overlay here, background. Where is the overlay? General, not in general, style only. Okay. Background. Okay, I have taken this container. It is asking. I have to take the outside container. Yeah. outside container, and this is the overlay. I'll click on this and this will be background will be like this. Okay, so you have picked the wrong image. It shows iStock credit tire Ivan Balwan, something like that. Okay, so you download it from Pinterest, or maybe if you want it from free pick, ask Ibrahim. He'll help you with the free pick images. Okay, you got it right. So you don't need paid version for it. So now your website is not actually complete and well built. So we'll try doing that. We'll try doing that, building that page. So what you do is now plan the content. Now people will have FAQs related to your service, correct? So do you clean it in the morning or evening, or how frequently you clean? So for that, if you want to add any new section, click on design library, go to FAQs. If you want color, if you want it to be colorful or gray color like this, you pick this and insert this.
Sir, the design library again we have to go for plugin.
No plugins.
No plugins.
No plugins. Your design library. Design. So now I will add one more section. You have added this, right? I'll add one last content section. So here you will be adding a SEO content thing. Okay. So I'll see features, contact form, locations, content, so now you want to make your page more informative. See, Ibrahim is working on this actually. He can help you with whatever is needed, I'll tell you. So now even before you build this page, what you have to do is in the top itself you had some stats. So you want a section after this, right? So click here. Yeah. So click here and then design library and go to stats, statistics. If you want it in color, you pick one of these colors. So if you want this, add this. So I'll not say if you don't want it. I don't know if this is getting added second or third. Okay. So it is getting added here. Okay. I think you should be able to drag and drop also this wherever you want, or Control Z and pick the second option again and insert it in the top. So you put, so it's gone now. Okay, it's removed. So maybe first, see now first what I suggest is don't do any kinds of changes. It is like you getting outside of your house, right? And now you will not know where to go, and you will simply start walking. Where will you go? If you had a plan, okay, I have to come to this office, you will come to this office. If you're simply coming outside and standing, you will be like a mad person, correct? Correct, your mind doesn't work. So now when you want to make any changes here, you won't be able to bring in any valuable changes. You won't be able to get the best things to your page. So even before that you plan, okay, so I am writing expert pest control services and I am getting a good image. Then below this I have to write, I have treated 5,000 houses and 300 offices, corporates. We are working with, after this you have stats. We are working with these many companies, and maybe after that, before this services you have expert, about your company. Maybe I'll try adding those things. Okay, so let me try adding them. Design library, I will add stats. Okay, okay, I'll pick the white color only for stats. Banner is already dark in color, right? Right, it has come again here. So I'll see if I can move this. There is an option. There is an option to interchange this also. We'll see. Okay. Now you can drag and drop like this. So you change this text also. This all details. I'm saving this fine. And next after this, you bring in about section. Okay. Go to design library again. You click here. After this, right, design library, you bring in about section about your company. Right. I will add this in a color because there's one already. Stat section is in white. So which one do you want about section? You pick the design. You want this, or you want something like this, but it doesn't have enough space for about. Maybe we'll go with this one only. Where is about? The top only, right? About. Okay. So we'll go with this one. So how are your previous sections looking? Images. Okay, there. Image you can have it to the right, no problem. So I'll pick that one only. About section, color, right? I'll pick dark color. So I'll pick this one. So I'll show you, you can easily change this images. Just double click on this image, image. Yeah, correct. Replace. So it has come a new image now. Replace it. You can change that image. Okay. And then next, what is needed? You are speaking
Sir,
about.
doing this Yoast SEO application installing, we get the editing option.
No, that is different. This is different.
That is different. Correct. Yoast
That is
SEO.
in WordPress. This is on the poster.
This is also WordPress only. We are all doing. We are doing all of this on WordPress only. Yoast SEO gave you an option or a field to update your title and description.
Okay.
Right? That is done long back. And now he wanted to change image or other changes on his website, and I'm telling you, not only image, you build your page with more information, make it more attractive or informative to your page. So I suggested him to add some stats. He's adding some stats. Write about your company, right? We are there in so many years, that this blah blah, and then your services. Maybe if you don't want this, you can build a new about your services now. Design library, you can get services list. Okay.
Design library.
Yes.
Editing is this is different.
You can get services list like this. Bedbug control, cockroach control, that this, and you can replicate this also. Add one below the other. There are only 3 here, right? You can make 6. Okay. If you want, I will add, or I will just ignore this. Right, but you got an idea right now. First, plan it on a Word document. First, a mind map. Okay, what all my page should look like? What all should it comprise? Right? The stats: 20,000 houses, 200 corporates. You have 50 plus people working on this. Correct? Equipment. If you have anything, you to plan what should be shown here. That can be selling your services effectively. Right? And about your company, and then after about what should you be displaying, you can go with this one only and try to add links. Create this as our expert services. You do it as to houses and corporates. Correct? Houses, corporates, and open places. Pest control in houses, corporates, and gardens or open places. Something.
Services will be in different categories. Like say,
No, you have two varieties. See, now you are providing services for houses and corporates.
commercial and residential.
Commercial, residential, maybe something like open space. I don't know. If there are only 2, you put 2 categories, and then your other service types of services like cockroach treatment or bed bugs, right? Again, add that as a one more section. Okay. Discover Rishi pest control. So this again you can speak about Rishi pest control here also. You have one section here. Have some photos related to your business. If you don't want this in blue color, you use gray color. If blue is too much to the eyes, right? You plan all those sections. Why I'm suggesting all of this is, once all of these are done, you are not going to build any page again. You are going to simply replicate this page, and you are going to launch for cockroaches, for bedbugs or termites. You will start simply changing the images and changing the text.
So the request or quote it is not now. You can't click on that.
You can.
Down.
We'll see it here. You can have some very bright image in the top.
See on that request or quote, you click it is not.
It takes you to contact page. You see, this is coming from your page header. You have used this image in the settings page header, and by default, if you are creating any new page, it takes the image. That can be removed. You just try working on this. First, make sure that your home page is well built.
Is there any plugin to add social media links?
Social media links we can easily add. It's there, right?
I added only 3, but I'm trying to add Instagram logo.
You can add Instagram logo. You don't have to add Instagram logo. It's there in the settings of this thing, Astra settings. In the Astra settings only, you will find dashboard, customize maybe. Somewhere the site identity is there, right here, or footer builder, footer customize. But
There was an option like social media.
that's,
There was only three.
no. The moment you put
Astra
automatic,
and we have
dashboard, okay, site identity page. Footer builder,
Ah,
mostly it should be here. The footer
builder
builder.
intent event widget three.
Widgets, widgets, yeah.
Widgets three.
Yeah.
And another one is like social links.
You won't be able to edit it here. Widgets are edited from a different place. I'll show it to you. Widgets are edited from the
media
widget section.
I don't know.
No. Widgets, appearance widgets.
Appearance, customize widgets. On photo builder.
Widgets, your widgets will be edited here. Widget 3, right? Sorry. That is widget 3. Widget 3 is here.
It's a life cycle.
American cockroach.
that's Indian coverage is the same
Indian,
lifestyle.
American,
German.
So this has come.
Ah,
You change the icon here.
ah,
Okay. Okay, icon you can change it here. Right? You got it? And but the links pertaining to it also can be changed. Here in the advanced coordinates.
add an Instagram icon.
You download an Instagram icon and add it. Huh?
So appearance and
I'll tell you. So widgets, yeah, under appearance, widgets,
Appearance,
widgets. So widget 3 and right now,
customize.
right? And after clicking on this, if you click this again, there will be one more button. See now, I'll click on this. See one more button. So now Facebook is already there.
Ah,
This is also there. Now you want to change the icon, right? So click on this, and general, you have an option to change the icon. If you want image, you can put image also.
I have
Right. So here you don't even have to change. Just look at this. I want to put Pinterest or Instagram. Where is Instagram?
already by default option.
Yes. Where is Instagram here?
okay, this comes in widgets.
Instagram option.
Yeah.
So change it to Pinterest. Okay.
And another thing is, I want to highlight that the headings.
So why Instagram is not there, sir?
I have to ask them. Then I don't know.
I mean,
Even I'm wondering why
it is
Instagram
there.
is not there.
YouTube is there. YouTube also is not there. I think we have to customize it.
Yes, somewhere we will have options to customize. Right. So now you will have to spend
Keep
some time
exploring.
explore.
Patience.
I have not used any builder except Flatsum. Elementor long back. Elementor. Flatsum I have used. And so now I have to struggle to tell you if you ask me where is the option. You will get it.
Yeah.
It will be there for sure.
Exploring or also
Okay. So Ibrahim is using this already. You can check with him. Ramya also has used this. But Ibrahim, check with Ibrahim. Okay. You'll be able to do anything that you want. You don't have to go with any paid versions. 99% times you will be able to do it. Amazing websites with all the free options available. Okay. Got it. So now the plan for your website is simple. So I want you to build your proper homepage. Okay. You finish building the homepage. Second thing, same structure, same design, same format, you will be building cockroaches, 20 pages or 50 pages, whatsoever the number of pages, number of services you identify, cockroach, rodent, that, this, you are going to replicate this page and you are going to launch 20 or 30 or 10 more pages, and each page will be optimized with title, description, H1, and at the last we are also going to add some content related to this page. This page is about pest control. Another page is about cockroach control. Third page is about rodent control. So we are going to, Amulya, you have done this activity, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Even she has done this activity. She has created. She must be knowing how to duplicate this also, right? So simple to duplicate this. You will have to install. No, don't install any plugin. I'll show it to you. Simply you enable the WP editor, the classic editor, and then go to your home page and click on edit. Let me show. Okay, so now on this pages, if you go to the page and if you click on edit, the view will be like this, correct? But instead of that, what you're going to do is, before that you will be enabling a WP editor. See, WP editor will make it easy for you to copy paste for this thing. Otherwise, duplicate plugin will. Okay, maybe we will discuss all of that in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Tomorrow we have Saturday.
Oh, Monday. Okay. Hello. Anand ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 5-10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
So when you add new page,
I'll show it to you. So, for example, add new page, right?
my question is, the title you have clicked, right? And meta title and meta description. So when you click on that, this page opens or the new page which we create will open?
I didn't get your question.
On Google, if now his meta title is that Bangalore Professional Services.
If you click on that page only will open. Why will it open new page? You have updated it for that page A, and it shows that
So
regarding
the website rishipascontrol.in only will open.
Yes. Sir, I did some changes on the Google search. Instead of Facebook, Foxy, I did this title studio. Then all photos were there, so it's got vanished. So it's asking very.
Google search.
Yeah.
You did change the Google search.
Yeah, I'll show you. Google search.
Google search will not change
Google,
images on your website.
Your business on Google.
Google business listing.
Yeah.
You give me 1 second. What did you do exactly?
So I changed that.
Edit profile. What did you do?
It's not loading.
No. It's not managed. It's asking you to verify your business listing.
Yeah, instead of Foxy, the best status would be mentioned here. So that's why suddenly I don't know. All
What
photos gone.
How many
It's,
photos?
it's asking to verify.
No. Photos are not gone. So the day when you have changed this, you have the same day you have uploaded the photos, correct?
Yeah, true.
Correct.
Yes.
So now the thing is, it has not vanished. It did not get applicable at all. Why?
Okay.
I'll tell you. So the day when you made the changes and uploaded the photos, the same day Google has asked you to verify that this belongs to you. Google requires additional information to verify that you manage this business.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So you did not do that verification, and hence all the changes are on hold.
Oh, okay.
Right? What you see is not seen by public. Since you are logged in, you are seeing this full title. But if I see it here Foxy Inc., I'll not see that full. So basically, your photos are not applied, and your title, this what you have changed, is also not applied.
Yeah, I can see only.
This title, right?
Yeah.
For images to go live, you have to verify your account.
Okay.
Images are there still,
Okay.
but it's not showing. So when you go to the edit mode,
Fix mode.
fix edit profile, not photos. Maybe it might show it to you.
Yeah, it's here.
It's here, right? So photos are there. Photos you have uploaded are there,
Yeah.
but it is not displaying to the public because you have not verified. It is asking you for some information to verify. So get verified. Do this at your premises because it will ask you
Yeah,
to take
the
a photo
premise,
or video or to show the
It is
GST
asking you
certificates
video,
or anything.
actually.
Yeah, do the video. You go
Do
through
that.
the guidelines and do the same thing.
Do this. Okay.
Yeah, it's very strict now. So if you are trying to make any changes, it will ask you to verify that you are the
Yeah.
owner of the business. Earlier it was very easy. We were sitting here and doing listings in USA.
There were scams and that after
During COVID also, lot of non-existing businesses, scam, this. And people started marking all this government bodies, secret bodies, all the
And
Google
before,
apps.
before the servers and all, the Microsoft servers and all, it was the location was pinned in the ocean. All the servers, the
Yeah.
location it was pinned in the ocean. Now it is not like that because it was difficult to track.
Correct.
People used to search if there is a server. The server used to be in the middle of the
How
ocean.
you
You can crop and do it before. That was there actually. Now those things and all were split. Because of that, I think what we should have done. Few companies also they mark in the middle of the ocean the landmark and they register that.
Okay, fine. Any questions?
Sir, it
That is easy to use design library, and what you are using easy to use. From Monday, weekends you try building your page nicely with all the information needed. From Monday, if you are sitting here, Ibrahim or Amelia, one of them can also show you how to replicate the pages. So in Excel sheet, we have put services right there. Bring in keywords, write titles, descriptions, H1, and also get SEO content. SEO content again, one of them will show. I will show it to you all in the class anyways. How to write the get the SEO content. But then they have a better way. Excel sheets, right? Sheet GPT, Sheet GPT, Sheet GPT. They will get you hundreds of pages content in few minutes. Correct? So she learned so much. Sheet GPT. So if you have 100, if you have 10,000 pages on the website or 100 pages or 1,000 pages on the website, for all of these pages you can get the content in just few minutes or hours. Earlier it was taking weeks, months for people were writing it all, right? So that is what she has learned sitting here. Okay, okay, fine then, yeah. You won't be, you explore it, you will again.
Yeah, I'll sit with
But that is of no use at this moment. First step for all of you would be for your website, build one web page, nice web page, or if it is already good, that's okay. Just try updating the content, keyword optimized title, description, H1, and SEO content. So I'm planning 2 or 3 days in a week at least. Complete sit at the desk and practice. 2 or 3 days we'll have the class. Same thing. Next 2 or 3 days you practice at the desk. Okay. So now whatever you have learned till now, I want all of that to be practiced or implemented at the desk. Ibrahim or Amulya will. They both know already how to do all of that. What I have shown you today, I want you to be doing all of that on one of the projects, and I will give you the projects. Okay.
Sir, I'll sit with Ibrahim for the website.
Yes. Sorry.
What we invested initially, only the title.
Same yesterday's thing. Since nobody were here, I thought I'll